Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana with the Paper Pineapple. Today I will be working on week 7 of my 2022 Project Life album. This is documenting the week of Valentine's Day, and I'm going to be using Syncopation Design's Amor digital kit. So I will be using their 3x4 cards, some digital elements that I printed and cut out, and some of the papers. I absolutely love this kit. It is super cute. I love that everything's in Spanish, and I love all the cute papers. For one of the papers, you see it has all these lip marks, or yeah, lipstick marks, whatever you want to call it. And what I actually did is I printed it on transparency paper, or film, whatever you want to call it. And so now it just looks super cool. So it will go through the other page, as well as the little shaker pocket that you see there that I made for the previous week. And so it was suitable because it will be documented for this week. So yeah, I went ahead and I've already had my pictures pre-printed out, and I decided to use some doilies. These doilies I think I purchased them from Target, I believe. 2 of these I purchased from the Bullseye spot from Target. When you first enter the store, there's this little spot. They sell all these little cute stuff, inexpensive, so I always tend to pick those up. And so I decided to use one of the doilies, cut it in half, and use it for these 4x6 cards that I've already cut to size. And I decided that I wanted to make it look kind of lacy. I feel like it went well with the prints in this collection. And so I went ahead and put them so that it looks like it's one full piece. So I just trimmed them so that it fits in the pockets, and I decided to decorate. I think I do embellish it. And I'm adding a little picture here of my Frenchie, Sophie, and my Chihuahua and Pomeranian had pups, and here they're in the kennel. I put them outside for a little bit just to get some sun, and Auntie Sophie just loves to go over there and just love on the puppies, and so they always like, kissing Auntie Sophie through the kennel. I think that's super cute. I had to put it in there. And so then I put a couple of these pictures in from the week. I decided to do a double spread. I'm finding that I'm having a hard time putting in pictures, and because I feel like I'm already used to doing 2 12x12s, and so I usually fill those up with pictures. And so I decided for this week I would go ahead and do two pages instead, and do one full layout. I do feel like it felt more complete. I was able to add more papers, more pictures in for the week, and so I decided to do that instead. I'm not sure if I'll do that for the following week, but I just want to try it for this week since it's special, since it was Valentine's Day week. I wanted to add all the things. So this picture here is a picture of us on date night. My husband and I like to go eat sushi, and so I had to document that in there. And then I had a picture of some roses from Valentine's Day that was gifted to me. And the picture on top is a picture of me and one of my best friends. And I don't know if you follow her, but she is the Crafty Chaos, and she is here on YouTube and on Instagram. You want to go ahead and follow her and tell her hello and tell her I sent you. She has some videos there for you to watch. And so this particular day, she had invited me out to retirement party, one of her colleagues, and she's an event planner, and so it was pretty awesome to go with her and take a sneak peek of her world. It was really awesome. So I wanted to add that in there. And this little embellishment box is given to me by Veronica from Veronica Creates. She's on Instagram, and she also has a podcast, a Storyteller's podcast. You want to go look her up. She's on all the podcasting, wherever you hear podcasts, on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, iHeartRadio, I believe. Look her up. It's a pretty awesome podcast to listen to. So she had a little Valentine's Day made up, and so she invited me, and she made these cute little embellishment boxes, personalized, one for each one of us. And I thought that it was the sweetest, and I thought, you know what? I have the box and I haven't opened it. So if I'm going to use it, it's going to be today. So I did take out the box and pulled out a couple of these little stickers, and it was perfect because she had put in these like wooden veneer conversational hearts, and as you see here, this little paper here, this that Jen made has conversation hearts, except they're in Spanish. I thought this would be perfect to add to it. So I did add a couple of wood veneer hearts, and I thought that it was perfect to add to that and embellish. And this one here is just one of the digital elements from the Amor kit. It's a phone with some heart emojis, like in text form, and I just wanted to add that in there. I wasn't sure what I wanted to put on the side. I did pull out this old Studio Calico, I think it's like corkboard stickers, and because it said love you, but I thought it was too big for the card, so I opted for this Tim Holtz small talk stickers, and I decided to put one that says, I believe it says "I'm so lucky," something like that, of that nature. And then I just put it close to the phone, kind of to mimic a text, and just went ahead and put that in there, kind of fill that card and call that card good. I think I do add a little heart sticker next to it as well. There we go, and then I call that one good. So I position where I think I want it, and then just put that one in the pocket there. And I think I do decide to add a little journaling on that little spot there, and it was Cassandra's retirement party. And then I just slip in that last card right there. I think I wanted it to let it dry because I had just put glue on the back of those wooden veneers, and I just wanted to make sure that it stuck before I slid it in the protector. Sometimes when they're wet, things will slide around in the pocket, and I didn't want that. So just go ahead and put that in, and then I call this card here good. You know, sometimes you print out your pictures and you think that you have them the right size, and then sometimes the protector sheets, the pockets are smaller than what, you know that it's a 4x6, but for some reason they just are tighter than others, and so you always have to trim your paper or trim your picture because they don't always fit, which is not a big deal, but you know, it's like always having to trim. So yeah, that goes in. I do apologize. I have my doggies outside, and they're all playing and barking and making a ruckus, so I do apologize for that. And for my lighting, you could see the lighting. There's a really bad glare. Sorry, I can't talk today. I'm kind of tired today. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. And thanks for watching. I do appreciate you watching my videos, and your support means everything. So I did want to say that to you all, for all my wonderful subscribers. So sometimes I struggle putting the pictures in and out. I just feel sometimes they're just really tight in there. I hope I'm not the only one that struggles with this. You know, sometimes you want them to be nice and tight so they're not falling out of the pockets. But then sometimes it's a struggle to take them out when you're putting in the next picture in. So it's a picture of my son and his teacher, Miss Walbridge, and she's a friend of mine. Hi, Stephanie. And here's a picture of him giving her his Valentine gift to her. He gave her some tulips. And then there's a picture of him and his little friend. These two are so cute. They're always inseparable. She's always hugging him. They're always together, holding hands. They're just the cutest. And they're in kindergarten, so they are at that age where everything they do and say is adorable. And then they grow up, and then it's like, where did the time go? So I'm definitely soaking it all up because they grow so fast. So then I believe I'm done with that side, and I have to work on the other side. I have one more side to work on. I'm sorry I'm out of frame. I really have to get better at that. It's kind of hard when you're filming because you don't know, when you're filming from above, you don't know if you're in frame or not, so I do apologize for that. This is just a 3x4 card from the kit, and it says Que viva el amor, so long live love. That's basically what it translates to. And so I like that because it has a picture of my son and his little friend Valentina. And then I just added this other picture is a picture of my nails. I had them redone. By this time, this was like on a Tuesday, and so I was done with Valentine's Day. I was like, I gotta change my nails. I'm gonna do something different. That's just how I am for some reason. Like once the season passes, the very next day I am done, and all my decorations and all my home decor gets put away, and I'm ready for the next. So yeah, I had to put a picture in of my nails. And so I just use this little felt heart, and then I adhere this little foam heart, and these are super cute too. I decided to put that one on there and call that one good. So, oh, and then I forgot, I put a little paper clip. And these are the cutest little paper clips ever. They have like a little heart shape at the very tippy top, and I thought that was so cute. So I just added that for an extra embellishment, and then I call this good. I'm happy with the way this turned out. Oh, I forgot I had one more little embellishment next to the number of the week. I just felt like it looks a little plain, so I decided to add a little, I believe it's a little key. And I use that little key, and then I call that good. So now I'm finally done, guys. Thanks for sticking around, and thanks for watching. I still have to catch up. I believe I have 2 other weeks to catch up on, so I'll be working on those, and hopefully I'll have a video soon of week 8 and week 9. I believe we're on week 9, so that won't happen till the following week, but definitely need to catch up on another week or 2. So here it is. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys!